Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there,
I'm Tom.
and I'm Lucy. How's everyone doing today?
We hope you're having a great day.
Today, we're talking about something really important:
Something many students ask us about.
how to practice speaking English when you don't have a partner.
This is such a common problem.
So many students tell me I have nobody to practice with.
And we have great news for you.
You don't need a partner to practice speaking.
You can practice alone and still become fluent.
Let's show you how.
So, Lucy, I hear this all the time from my students.
What do they say?
They say, Tom, I want to practice speaking, but I live in a place with no English speakers.
I hear the same thing.
I don't have anyone to talk to.
It feels like a big problem.
But here's what I tell them.
What's that?
You don't need a partner to practice speaking English.
That's absolutely right.
Speaking practice is about training your mouth and your brain.
Exactly. It's like training for sports.
You can train alone.
And actually, some of my best students practiced alone first.
Really?
Yes, they practiced by themselves for months.
And then when they had real conversations,
They felt confident and ready.
I have a student named Kenji.
Tell me about him.
Kenji lives in a small village in Japan.
Okay,
No English speakers in his village at all.
so what did he do?
He practiced speaking English alone every single day.
By himself?
Yes, every morning, every evening, he practiced alone.
For how long?
6 months.
Wow,
And now he speaks English fluently.
that's amazing.
He proved that you can learn without a partner.
So let's teach everyone how to do this.
Method number 1.
Talk to yourself.
Wait, talk to myself?
Yes, talk to yourself in English.
That sounds strange.
I know it feels weird at first.
But does it work?
It really works. This is what I teach all my students.
What do you say when you talk to yourself?
Describe your day.
My day?
Yes, in the morning say, today I'm going to work. I'm going to study English. I'm going to cook dinner.
Oh, like planning your day out loud.
Exactly. And during the day, describe what you're doing.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Now I'm making coffee. I'm pouring water. I'm adding sugar.
So you narrate your actions.
Yes, like you're the narrator in a movie.
That's clever.
In the evening, reflect on your day.
How?
Today I went to the store. I bought some bread. I talked to my friend.
Simple sentences about your day.
Exactly. And you can also share your thoughts.
My thoughts.
I think it's going to rain today. I feel happy. I like this song.
Express opinions and feelings.
Yes, just talk about anything.
How long should people do this?
Start with 10 or 15 minutes a day.
Every day.
Yes, consistency is so important.
And it feels strange at first.
Very strange. My students always laugh about it.
But it becomes normal.
After a few days, it feels natural.
Okay. Method number 2.
Describe your surroundings.
What does that mean?
Look around you and describe what you see.
Right now?
Yes. For example, I see a white wall. I see a black microphone. I see a wooden table.
Just say what you see.
Exactly. You can do this anywhere.
In your house.
Yes. I see a blue sofa. I see a green plant. I see 3 books.
On the street?
That person is wearing a red jacket. A car is driving past. The sky is cloudy.
Oh, use present continuous for actions.
Yes, the dog is running. The children are playing. The bus is stopping.
This builds vocabulary.
So much vocabulary, and it trains your brain to think in English.
Not translating from your language.
Exactly. You think directly in English.
Method number 3.
Practice in front of a mirror.
A mirror.
Yes, stand in front of a mirror and speak.
Why a mirror?
Because you see yourself speaking.
How does that help?
It builds confidence. You watch your face, your mouth, your expressions.
What should you practice in the mirror?
Introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Maria. I'm from Brazil. I'm a teacher.
Practice introductions.
Yes, and practice common questions and answers.
Like what?
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What do you do? I'm a student.
Have a conversation with yourself.
Exactly. Ask a question, then answer it.
This is interesting.
You can also practice your expressions.
Expressions.
Smile when you speak. Look friendly. This is important for real conversations.
I love this method.
I have a student named Marina who did this.
What happened?
She practiced in the mirror every morning for 3 months.
3 months.
Yes, she practiced greetings, introductions, common phrases.
And then,
She joined an English conversation group.
was she nervous?
She told me she felt confident and prepared.
Because she practiced so much.
Exactly, the mirror practice really worked.
Method number 4 is shadowing.
Shadowing, I love this method.
What is shadowing?
You listen to native speakers and repeat immediately after them.
Like an echo.
Yes, like an echo.
How do you do it?
Play a podcast or a video.
Okay.
Listen to one sentence.
Just one sentence.
Yes. Then pause and repeat exactly what you heard.
Try to sound the same.
Exactly. Copy the rhythm, the intonation, the pronunciation.
Even if you don't understand everything.
Yes. Focus on sounding like the speaker.
Where can students find material for shadowing?
YouTube videos, podcasts, movies.
This podcast.
This podcast is perfect for shadowing.
How long should you shadow?
10 minutes a day is great.
Every day.
Every day. This trains your mouth muscles,
Your mouth needs training.
just like training at the gym.
Method number 5.
Record yourself and listen.
Recording yourself.
Yes, Use your phone to record your voice.
Why is this helpful?
Because when you speak, you can't hear your own mistakes.
But when you listen back,
You hear everything.
what should you record?
Anything, read a paragraph out loud and record it.
Then what?
Listen to the recording. Notice your mistakes.
Pronunciation mistakes?
Pronunciation, rhythm, clarity, everything.
And then,
Record it again. Try to improve.
so you become your own teacher.
Exactly. You teach yourself.
This is powerful.
And here's another great thing.
What?
Save your recordings.
Why?
In 1 month, record yourself again reading the same thing.
Oh, to compare.
Yes, you'll hear your progress.
That's so motivating.
It really is. My students love hearing their improvement.
Now, I know practicing alone can feel lonely.
That's true.
How do students stay motivated?
Great question. Here are my tips.
I'm listening.
First, practice at the same time every day.
Make it a habit.
Exactly, maybe every morning after breakfast.
Or every evening before bed.
Yes, second tip, start small.
How small?
Just 10 minutes a day.
Not 1 hour.
No, 10 minutes is perfect for beginners.
Consistency beats intensity.
Exactly, 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Third tip.
Keep a practice journal.
What do you write?
Write what you practiced each day. Today I talked about my day for 10 minutes. Today I described my room.
Track your practice.
Yes, and celebrate small victories.
Like what?
Today I spoke for 5 minutes without stopping. Today I used 10 new words.
Positive thinking.
Very important.
Remember, everyone, progress isn't always obvious.
That's so true.
You practice every day, but you might not notice improvement.
But it's happening.
Your brain is learning.
Your mouth is training.
Just keep practicing.
Every minute counts.
Let's review the 5 methods.
Great idea.
Method 1. Talk to yourself about your day.
Method 2. Describe what you see around you.
Method 3. Practice in front of a mirror.
Method 4. Shadow native speakers.
Method 5. Record yourself and listen back.
5 powerful methods.
You can practice alone.
You don't need a partner.
Choose one method and start today.
Just 10 minutes.
Tomorrow, practice again.
Every day you get better.
Speaking fluently without a partner is possible.
We've seen so many students succeed this way.
You can do it too.
We believe in you.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned 5 excellent methods.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Try one method today.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.